Hey friends, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So this is exciting because I've never done this before. Like the title suggests, Women We Celebrate. I spent most of my lockdown days and the times which I didn't have class on social media platform, and I was astonished to see a lot of women out there are doing business. They're creating opportunities at places where there are no opportunities, and I had to ask a lot of questions to them to get more inspired, know more how they're doing business at times of trouble too, their inspiration, where does their support come from. I had so much to ask. Why not I make a video on these so that people around me can also know that such women of extreme willpower, focus, plans also exist around us. This is the first trial I'm doing on this. I'll give you an idea of what is going to happen. There is this page called the Yellow Pan in Instagram, which is a mother-daughter duo that makes extremely delicious food and will deliver at your doorstep. I asked them few questions what I had in mind when I saw their page and their business and how passionate their page looked about food and everything else. So they agreed to answer them, and here are the answers I got from them. This is more of a chat with them, and I'm really extremely happy to share it with all of you.
Hi Rija, thank you for having us over. Firstly, I thought it would be good to do a quick introduction before we hop on to the questions. We are super excited and nervous because it's the first time we are doing something like this, but thank you for choosing us. My name is Mansa Bhalotia. I've been in Cochin for around 18 plus years. We are a Marwari family and we are based in Cochin. My father has a business over here, and I am the head chef and I co-manage the Yellow Pan with my mom. This is Meeta Bhalotia, my mother.
Hi.
She is the inventory manager, the sous chef, and the creative head, and so many other things for the Yellow Pan. But she's also super camera shy, because from now you're only going to see me answering the questions on behalf of her and me. So this is the last you're seeing of her. So anyways, it's great to be speaking with you, and we're very excited to answer the questions. How did I start this venture? So maybe before I talk about how we actually came up with the idea of the Yellow Pan, I'll give a little bit of a backstory. After I completed my graduation in commerce from Cochin, I had a 6 to 7 month gap before I joined my job in Bangalore, and I wanted to utilize my time very differently because it was a lot of time and I wanted to do something which I would never be able to do later on. So I completed a diploma in baking and patisserie from the Institute of Baking and Cake Art. I have always been very interested in baking as a child, and even in school and college I used to bake cakes and give it to my friends. After that, after the diploma, I joined my job. I was working with an investment banking firm in Bangalore for over 3 to 3.5 years, and I came back to Cochin early in March this year. That's when the entire city went into a complete lockdown with the pandemic rising, and we really didn't have anything much to do. We couldn't go anywhere. It was the peak lockdown time and we had to be at home. That's when I thought that this would be the right time for me to get back to baking again and hone it, because while I was in Bangalore, my job was super hectic. So I really didn't get the time to practice. So this seemed like the best opportunity for me to hone my skills. It started off with my dad's birthday and a couple of friends coming from other cities and asking me to bake cakes for them because they used to really enjoy it when I was in school. And gradually, when I started trying out new cakes and cheesecakes, I gave it to my friends who live close by, and they were really supportive of my baking skills. They told me that the things which I make would be something which people would be willing to buy, and I should definitely expand and venture out. And that's when I really became more confident with what I do. My mom already had the page on Instagram. She used to use it as a place where she uploaded her recipes, and I thought, why not become partners with the person whom I've learned everything from. And we started off with the Yellow Pan, and yeah, so that's how it is, and it's been around 2.5 months and the journey has been amazing. I would be answering this question on behalf of my mom, who's very camera shy and who is the person who selected this name, the Yellow Pan. Like I mentioned earlier, it's my mom who started the page on Instagram, and the reason why she chose this name and the reason why I fell in love with this name is because you instantly get attracted to it. I guess it's because yellow as a color is super bright and very positive. I personally feel that if even a little bit of yellow or a tinge of yellow is there in your environment or in any picture, the entire environment or the entire photo brightens up. And the reason why we chose a pan is because even if you're cooking something or if you're baking something, a pan is a utensil which is used literally everywhere or for anything in the kitchen. If you're sauteing your vegetables, you need a pan. If you're cooking your curry, you can use a pan. Whereas in baking, you make your caramel sauce with a pan. Sometimes you make your chocolate ganache in a pan, or sometimes you use that for melting your butter. So it's a very versatile utensil, and hence the name, the yellow pan. It would be very difficult for me to take one particular name because we are people who learn and get inspired from anything good which is around us. And I think during this pandemic, a lot of people have started some amazing social media ventures where they are bringing out their hidden talents. So every single day I see a new Instagram page and click on the follow button because their ideas are so creative and so unique, and there is always something to learn from. I think I do want to take one name though, and that would be my fellow baker Shweta Dadlani, who owns Kekolits in Baroda in Gujarat. What I really admire about her is the way she markets her Instagram page, and she has very simple ideas, yet they are so well executed and so easy. I would really like to learn from the way she comes up with unique ways to market her product, and her cakes look so amazing and so yummy. She has some really unique flavors, and I wish once the pandemic gets over I actually get to go meet her and try some of the things she does. There are a lot of people in Cochin as well, a lot of bakers in Cochin who have really great home baking ventures, who have really pretty looking home baking ventures. I would like to add, if you go through their Instagram page, it's so aesthetic and they have done such great work with fondant, because that's something which I'm currently not so great at and I'm just trying to work on. So I would not take any names because there are so many in Cochin, but they're all my favorites and I follow them very ardently on Instagram, and I think I do take inspiration from them to motivate me to try out more fondant at home and to be able to start making small fondant figures which can be put on cakes. The most simple, the most exciting, and the most immediate goal for the yellow pan would be to ensure its goodies reach as many households in Cochin and, if possible, Kerala. I think that would really help us get a lot of customers, that would really help us get a lot of feedback and improve our design and taste and baking. That should be the most immediate future plan. With respect to that, we are planning to do some tie-ups with food bloggers and to do collaborations with brands. So there's a lot happening in that space. From a personal growth standpoint, I would really like to experiment more with fondant and improve my icing skills so that we can deliver more quality and design to our customers, so that they can approach us for bigger occasions and give us a chance to use our creativity as well. So that would be something we are planning from a more personal standpoint. I think I've definitely been blessed with the best. Right from the time I was a toddler, my parents have been super supportive of anything that I wanted to learn, and they have been equally or more ambitious of my goals. I think even though I might be the one who's talking on camera, but I would like to say that this venture is co-owned by my mom and me. If I may be the one who's baking or who's decorating the cake, she would always be standing beside me to help me in anything possible. She's like my inventory manager who tries to ensure that everything that I have or need in the kitchen is there and abundantly available, so that if there is any last minute order, we do not have to rush to the store and we have everything in stock. She's always looking up recipes and videos online, and she's sending it to me, so that if there is any easy hack or tip or trick which I can kind of use in the kitchen, I have already gone through it. So she keeps doing that all night, all morning. My father is super cute. He keeps sending me YouTube videos which have unique flavors. And there have been days where he's come back from a long day of work, and I probably have 3 to 4 orders which need to be delivered urgently to my clients, and I'm not able to find any delivery person. That's when he takes the car keys and he tells me, let's go and we'll drop it around. So he's been there for me for that. I've also been lucky to have a really lovely network of friends who were the reason why I started this, because they really pushed me beyond my limits and told me that you have it in you to sell what you make, because it is that good. And it's because of what they told me I started this. Right from giving me ideas about marketing, to DMing me designs which can be used on cakes, to DMing me different types of combinations of flavors, to helping me design my menu, to being my critique and telling me that probably this could have looked different. I have everything. And if it was not for the support of our friends and family, we would not be here. I think a testament to that would be the fact that because initially our friends and family were so supportive, and word of mouth worked so well, that now we have started getting orders from so many people whom we don't know. And that really makes me happy, because that's when I realized that because my friends have told so many friends, and because they have told so many people, the brand of Yellow Pan has really panned out, and now so many people know about it. So it's very endearing. My advice would not be for young women, but I think it would be for women in general of all ages. Uh, as women, especially brought up in the Indian society, we tend to underestimate our capabilities and our creativity, especially when it comes to running a business. I think it's because we feel so, since previously men tend to take the business forward and run the show. However, of late, a lot of women have been coming up with their own ventures, and most of the times it's like a one woman army. And it's because these women have shown conviction and belief in their ideas, and have not taken no from an answer from the people around them, and just taken their idea forward. As women, there are a couple of qualities in us which make us stand out. We are willing to work hard until we achieve that one level of perfection. We have an inherent ability to crunch numbers, which is very important in a business. We are very loving towards our product. We want to ensure we deliver the perfect product to our customers, and we are very empathetic. We understand the customer's requirement, and we are willing to customize it as much as possible. So these are some qualities which I've noticed in a lot of women around me. So we should definitely use it to our potential. All I would like to say is, if you have an idea, and if you know the idea is good, and if you trust that, it should be enough for you to invest your time and effort to start your own venture. And it may not be baking related, it could be anything under the sun. There are so many YouTube videos out there for you to learn hacks and tips and tricks from. So do not worry about failing, because that is a part and parcel of any journey. You should remember that when you start something of your own, you're inspiring so many other people. And with respect to Yellow Pan, my mom and I felt that we have some really unique ideas when it comes to the flavors we have. We were not sure if it would go well with the people in Cochin, but we did trust that our product is good, because we put top-notch ingredients, and we really had belief that our flavors are good. And once we started off with the venture, we got a really overwhelming and positive response. And it wouldn't have happened if it was not for our belief in what we do. So just trust yourself, and take any mistakes by your stride, because they're just gonna take you higher and higher. Lastly, before we end this video, for everyone who is watching this, my humble request is to please follow and support us on Instagram. Our Insta handle is _yellowpan. We have a lot of exciting stuff on our menu, and that's something which I can guarantee you would definitely find something which will cater to your taste palette. If not, we are people who love to experiment and try out new things. So if you want us to try a new item, please do let us know, and we would be more than happy to whip it up for you. So on behalf of my mom and me, we are looking forward to bake and to interact with you. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and also like, share and subscribe to this channel. We have more of these coming up and I'm excited as you are. Thank you for watching till here. See you in another episode of Women We Celebrate. Bye.